Hello everyone, welcome back. So, welcome back to chapter 2 actually. So, before going to chapter 2 content, let's do a quick recap. In chapter 1, we learned OpenAI and Python setup. We created a OpenAI free account, obtained the API key. We did the Python virtual environment setup, installed all the dependency, and done a test LLM call. I hope you have all validated it. If there was any issue, please do comment on the video. We'll talk there. Let's come to chapter 2. So here what we'll do in the last chapter, we run the LLM call through the command line. It was not looking so beautiful, so interactive. So this time we will learn a Streamlit UI, which is a ready-made available UI kind of application. And that we will run here to do interactive LLM calls. What we'll do, we will do add a Streamlit library dependency. We create a Python class for the LLM call. We will using the Streamlit file. We will do LLM calls and we'll run the Streamlit file in the browser. So let's go to our code base. What we'll do, we'll add the streamlit dependency in the requirement.txt file. So this is the requirement.txt file. I already have it. If you after adding the streamlit file to our requirement.txt, you need to do a pip install requirement.txt. Or if you individually want to install the streamlit file, then you can just do pip install streamlit. But make sure before doing all this, you activated your Python virtual environment, which we have discussed in the chapter 1. And then after, you can install the requirements. Once you have the requirements installed, you are ready to run the streamlit file from the source code. But before running, I would say let's see what is there, what you are gonna run. So from the first chapter 1, we already saw like how to do LLM call. I just created a class this time for the same code. So I've created a LLM interface class which has a chat open AI LLM object. In the init, doing an environment load. Then after creating a LLM object, keeping it there. Whenever there is a ask LLM function call, will should be first printing the log and then invoking the LLM with the question and response, returning back the response. This is what we are doing there. Now maybe I'll just modify this response dot content. Actually, it is content because response do contain other information, how many tokens used, many other information. Will not look for those for now. We'll ignore the second function for now, ask LLM with context. We will use it in the chapter 3. And if we wanted to validate using the debug point, like where if there is any blockage, we can test it, this file in the debug mode, run this file from this main function. In the main, I'm creating object, running the questions, so we can do that also. Now let's come to the streamlit.main. What is this streamlit? It is a already available library. We just need to use the streamlit. This is some CSS class. You just use it as a default, nothing to no need to learn much about it. This is like just in this streamlit file, we have on click, we are creating a button, function name ask LLM. On click, we are invoking the on click function. On click function, inside on click function, we are taking the question. What is the question? Session state dot question. So we have a question here. We have a question level, yeah, input text field. The name is question. So user will input a question, will hit the ask question button, then we will see the question, what is there in the text block. Some validation, question is empty. We'll create LLM interface object variable. We'll invoke the ask LLM function, and result is here. On the result modification, this function will automatically trigger and will write the results back to the Streamlit UI. This is the basic function. Now let's quickly run this. So this will actually allow us to do a interactive testing, like how my function is working. So here I can directly run this Streamlit file. It will invoke it in the browser. Yep, loading. Test playground. Who is Narendra Modi. So this in background doing the LLM call. We can go and see how it is happening. So this is Streamlit UI ran, sending the prompt, who is Narendra Modi. The response also came. It must have loaded by this time. Yeah. Now, say suppose I wanted to ask a programming related question. Give me the code, Java code. Okay. Java code, only the function, only the function which accept int a comma int b and return the sum of the so ask LLM. Yeah. So I just said only the code, it return the function sum. That's it.